we are going to see what is OnePlus 6. Yes, you got me right. And this one doesn't need an introduction. Wow, we have two special guests today. Let me quickly not unbox but uncover Ash with his Pikachu. Yeah, and now let's quickly go to our OnePlus. This is called OnePlus Shake, and this is OnePlus Pop. We know how fabulous it looks, and now we are going to experience it. What can be more beautiful than this, except to OnePlus? We have the Midnight Black version here. It comes in totally 4 variants. These are the first 3. And we have the Avenger Special Edition, which comes with 256 ROM. Let me tell you, it's all glass. OnePlus has used Corning Gorilla Glass 5 in the front as well as in back. OnePlus has worked hard to get these different textures awesomely. Box content is same like always. It comes with a dash charger, USB cable and a back cover. What is this speed referred again and again by OnePlus? It comes with the Snapdragon 845. Since it's the latest flagship processor from Qualcomm, is their best one. In simple terms, it speeds up performance by 30%. Also, OnePlus has worked on how the background rendering image of all open application works and things like this to make even more faster. Snapdragon 845 lowers the power consumption by 10% than its last version processor 835, which makes you get more battery backup time. This processor has lots of camera improvements, which makes the OnePlus 6 a faster camera phone. Network connectivity will be a lot faster in this phone as well, and as always, it is backed by 6 and 8 GB RAM. Let's see what else we have. Look of the phone is awesome, almost same in dimension like OnePlus 5T, and for the users who don't like the notch, we have a notch hide and seek feature like here. Yes, you can hide it if you don't want. We have lots of improvement in camera. It comes with OIS this time, supports super slow motion video with OnePlus Video Editor, which is quite cool. Finally, OnePlus is coming with some water resistant, but make sure you don't go swimming with your phone. It has a navigation gestures like we have seen in iPhone, and more like is coming with Android P Beta. OnePlus is one of the first phone can experience the Android P Beta. Let me know what you feel about the video and keep supporting. I will see you in the next video next time.